Morning everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm John and this is Road Rodent Restore, and this is getting towards the end of 2020, and what a year it's been. I think it's been a pretty bad year for everybody, and we are all feeling rock bottom. I've spent an hour and a half cleaning this place up, believe it or not. So in this week's video we're going to be working on the landfill bike again, and we're going to be finishing off the dash, because it has been nearly 3 weeks since I started them. Finally got my welding wire, so we can stick that in the welder, and then without further ado we can get on with it. Okay then, let's do a bit of welding. It's my earth clamp. Stick that on there. Let's make some pigeon poo. Right then, I'll let that cool down a bit, then I'll take it off and weld it up good and proper. Okay then, so I've got plenty of pigeon poo on it. I've cut that one off, so now I'm going to cut this one off to match that one. And now, put our flat disc on and try and clean it all up. Okie dokie, so we've got that welded on there in a fashion. Nice and solid. The bracket does look actually wonky, but believe me, when the clocks are on, they're not wonky for some strange reason. So let's put the clocks on and have a look at it with the clocks on. So there we are with the clocks on. Just 2 bolts, 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there, another bolt there for the plastic trim, another bolt there for the plastic trim. I might leave these bits on You know, just in case I run into something, then that could go straight through my helmet, couldn't it? Yes. Hopefully it's going to be better than a wire mesh fire guard. So yes, now I've got to put the lights back on. I've got to work out how to hide all this crap. You don't want to see all that crap, do you? I might just paint that black anyway. All the white stuff I'll just give it a blast over with a satin black. So let's get the clocks back on and see what it looks like and what we've got to do with the screen. Alrighty then, so there it is with the speedos on. Speedos, headlights on. Keep saying speedos, don't I? Looks pretty level. See, the framework's not level at all. But the clocks look very level. Weird. So now what I've got to try and do is work out how to fix this screen to there. Or there. Cut them bits out into, what I'm thinking of doing is drilling into this plastic screen, into this pink plastic shield. But I think what I'll have to do is put something square under there, warm it up with the hairdryer and bend it over a bit, and I could put two little bolts through to hold the screen on in place, and then maybe have another bracket coming up there off these knots into the screen. That makes sense. Or I could just have a bracket coming from that one. I don't know. Leave it with me and I'm sure I'll work that little problem out. So, we'll see you in a bit. Didn't even see my lips move, did you? Okay, so that's what I've come up with so far. What do you think? That don't look like a landfill bike. I don't know what does. Work out where to put the other bolt. And then, I don't know whether to take some from this somehow. Take that to there. To stop it being floppy doppy. I'll work out how to hide all that crap underneath as well. But I think that's basically what I'm going for. Would like the headlights to be up a bit more, but can't have everything, can you? Yes, the tabs have finally gone. Got the bunny rabbit ears off. Yeah, so leave it with me and I'll come back to you when I've worked something else out. Right, so I've been looking at this. What I want really is to use these old fixings up, so I want something to go from there to there. And I've been thinking good and hard, and then it suddenly dawned on me that I had a box full of old imperial spanners somewhere. I've been searching in the other shed, finally found the box that contains the imperial 1 metric spanners, which you never use anymore. They have been in there for absolutely years, so I believe this is the box. Yes, that's the box. Full of water, as you can see. Oh dear. And there are my... Well, actually, that's a metric. Is that a 13 mil? Oh, what's that doing in there? What size is that? That's a 9/16, so I could use that. That's sort of got to go on there. I'll probably weld a plate on each end, so that'll probably be about there. So I could have that sort of floating just there on 2 plates, if you know what I mean. If I can find another one there. Go with the bloody stuff in here. Do we best tip this water out? Let me just go and tip this water out. Cool, blimey. There we go, it's a bit better. Okay, so welded that on there in a fashion. I found this piece of metal, just bent it to the right shape, and I'm going to bolt that back onto there and bolt that bit to there. So I'll be back in a bit. Oh, there's one down, one to go. Gotta strengthen that. Ooh. Cool, well happy with that. That's gonna look wicked. Ouch, it's still hot. Flatten these welds down, obviously. So this just looks like a solid spanner, solid ring. Leave these nice and clean. Paint it satin black or whatever. On that side, on that side. People will come along and they'll think, is that a spanner? That looks like a spanner. Of course it's a bloody spanner, what else are you going to use? Okay then. So I did say on the last video that hopefully this was going to be the last video of the dry build for this bike, but unfortunately I have run out of time, so there's going to be another video of this. Plus I have actually forgotten about Still got to do a front wood guard on this bike. I've still got to work out how to hide all the backs. Still got to make this other side. You know, I've made this side, and I've got to make the other side brace. I've got to work out how to hide the back of the clocks. So that will be next year, not this year. I'd just like to take this opportunity to say it's the end of the year, so it's been a really good year for my channel. And I'd just like to say thank you to everybody who supported me in these videos all the way through the year. So thank you very much, everybody. Have a happy Christmas and a happy New Year, and I'll see you all next week.
I'll see you in another life, brother.